is up, guys, and welcome back to this new episode of me trying to get my first funded payout. So, today is Friday, the last day of the week. Firstly, I want to apologize to y'all for not posting yesterday. I have a there is never a good reason for not posting, but I think that the reason that I have is actually a good one because indeed I did film a video for y'all, but yesterday wasn't a day where I traded, so I was just talking 20 minutes non-stop. I was just speaking facts to y'all. I was just letting myself out, helping y'all. Trying to help y'all and trying to motivate y'all to do better things in life. But indeed, the fact that I know none of y'all would even watch that video, not even to the half of it or to the end, I didn't post it. So today is Friday. Today probably will be a trading day because there aren't any news. There are building permits right now, and I'm gonna show y'all in a quick little second on the charts, but I still wanna talk a little bit. So yesterday was actually a very good day if y'all would have traded. Like, there was a very good entry that y'all could have taken, but it was during the news, and as y'all know, I don't trade during news, and yesterday was just like kind of filled with news. Like, from the start of the New York session almost to the end of it, there were only news, and that was like one thing why I didn't take a trade yesterday. Today it's a quite normal day. There's the FOMC member Waller speak, and the federal budget balance still on the way. The housing starts and building permits are done by now. Their actual is like on the building permits, the actual was lower than the forecast, and the housing starts were just as the forecast has seen it. So yeah, with that being said, let's jump straight to the charts. There is a new all-time high getting made right now, which also is a break of buy-side liquidity. And if we zoom in, this actually, let's see, this could potentially be a very good entry, to be honest. Like, I would have put my stop at about 217. No, wait. 217.5 is where I would put my stop. My TP, let's zoom out a little bit. My TP would probably be at the last projected low right here, which would be a 113. And let's just wait how it will play out. Let's zoom in again and let's look for some 1 minute fair value gaps to see where I could really potentially entry off of it if the markets give me that kind of structure. So there is a fair value gap right here, there is one right here. I think the fair value gap where the buy side liquidity rests is the best option to take. We'll do this like this, then we'll put the sell side liquidity like this, and now I will be waiting for the sell side liquidity to getting swept, and from there to a bounce back to this 1 minute fair value gap, and from there I will most probably then take an entry. Let's see if this could be a entry model. 1 to 4 risk to reward. It's okay, we could be taking that, but we'll see. Now, as we can see, the pre-analysis was spot on. That 1 minute fair value gap hold up pretty tight. It got wicked a couple of times. Here it played in the zone a bit. Now the sell side liquidity got swept, and from here we are seeing a change of character. So now what I'm doing is I'm waiting for the markets to come back to this 1 minute fair value gap or into this bigger fair value gap which got made right now during this big impulsive move, and then I will go in with a potential entry. If I go in right here, I don't know, but I could possibly, okay, this is another fair value gap. Oh no, actually we can leave it like this. So if I go in right here, I'm still kind of questioning if I should move my stop a little bit lower, because if the markets come up right here again, like bro, then they will go even higher. So we could do it like this, that I make my potential entry right here, put my stop at around 216.5, and my TP still at the projected lowest low during this time, during this session. And if we look at this right here was the accumulation, here was the distribution, and here, no sorry, the manipulation, and now we're expecting a distribution. And if we put on the standard deviation from the highest point till where the change of character happened, which is about right here, and we can also see that our TP is at the projected zone, and the equilibrium of this zone off. And yeah, now I'm more confident and more convinced that this setup will be happening. I'm just waiting for this 1 hour candle to close, because that's the same time that 4 hour candle is going to close, and then for the markets to bounce back up to the equilibrium of this 1 minute fair value gap, and from there I will then take my entry. As y'all can see, unfortunately today wasn't my day either. The last day of the week we end up with a loss of not even $60 but $120, because I got greedy and I just entered a trade hoping to get back the loss that I've made, which in the end caused me to lose even more. So I was at 65 with this trade. I just did the exact same thing that I've told y'all. I waited for the market to bounce back to the equilibrium of this 1 minute fair value gap. After that, the markets pushed down a little bit, and then just like straight up upwards, and it was just a whole move, like up, down, then it was like almost at the stop loss, then it got down again, then it went up again with a big candle down again, just like everywhere were doji candles and everything, and like this market movement just looks ass, like it looks trash. and this was my first loss with 65 bucks, and then I don't even remember right now anymore, but somewhere about right here I went in, not with it long, sorry, I think it was right here or right here. I went in, yes it was right here actually. I went in with a long, had my stop about right here, my targets, I didn't even have any targets, like I just wanted to make 60 bucks. I went in with 0.4 lots. Just a dumb decision by me, not focused on my trading strategy. And as I can also see, I've marked this day as a losing day because, not because I lost money, but because mentally I wasn't on the charts today. Like, I was on the call with my girlfriend, which also kinda threw me off, and I also was way too focused on my bias. That's one thing I've noticed too. Like, the markets bounced back, and I just thought that they would come back to that equilibrium and to that standard deviation, because this looked like so much of a manipulation, and then it ended up being a distribution again. So I don't know. Zoom out. I was too focused on that 1 minute chart, and then took the wrong entry, took the wrong trade, saw a trade where isn't a trade. Now I'm down $750 on my funded challenge. I'm about to lose it. I wish that I could show it to y'all, but unfortunately I can't, because on my MacBook I even tried installing OBS, but OBS isn't available on my Mac. I don't know why, but unfortunately it just isn't. And actually there's not even much to say for me anymore. Maybe I will trade on my live account. I'm not even sure about that, but we'll just see. With that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed today's session, even though I've lost. Every loss is a lesson to be learned, and I will go to journaling. I will write everything down, every wrongs that I've done, every rights that I've done, and yeah, we'll see us next week on Monday, because as you know, the markets are unfortunately closed on the weekends. Just the crypto markets are open, but I don't trade crypto. I just be investing in the Bitcoin, which is Bitcoin to 100,000, even higher, man. Bitcoin to 200k, bro. Like, for real. Bitcoin is the best possible currency to have out there, because I don't know. As y'all know, the people call it the, I just know the German word, man. People call it the gold of crypto, the gold of the internet. So yeah, that has something to say. And with that being said, hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all made it this far, I really do appreciate you. I'm still ill. Y'all can see my nose dripping down. I'm gonna clean that too right now in a second. And I hope y'all have a blessed rest of the day, and keep pushing and keep chasing your